What is up, you guys? So I finally had a chance to go to my local TJ Maxx and Marshalls today. So I want to go ahead and film this video for you guys since you guys are always asking me for it. Y'all are asking me to redo or bring back my TJ Maxx and Marshalls makeup finds with Makaya. So honey, we're back. Episode number 1. This is it. Okay, so when I walked in, there were a lot of people there. So and I got there around like 10 o'clock. So I didn't really talk in the TJ Maxx portion of this video, but I did in the Marshalls portion. So I want to do a voiceover. So as you guys can see, mine has a lot of stuff, okay? This is one of those makeup sections where you literally have to take your time. When you have like a few free hours in a day, you can just stop by and just take your time because you'll find a lot of good things, like a lot of good things, but you really have to take the time out to look through everything if you can. So I did show you guys some Anastasia, some Laura Mercier already. Yeah, you guys, they have a lot of stuff, but I am gonna put the prices on the screen so you guys can see the retail price as well as the TJ Maxx price. Guys, so I am currently at Marshalls. Let's go. Let's see what they have because TJ Maxx didn't have that much stuff, so I wasn't in there for long. I mean, I wasn't in the makeup section for long, but of course I was everywhere else. But let's see what TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Oh my God, something's wrong with me. So I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning of the videos, but I took my black nail polish off this morning, so my nails look terrible. They pretty much have similar things like the Real Technique sponges. They're $12.99. Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palettes, probably $19.99. Yep. Anastasia powder bronzers, $11.99. They might have been cheaper in TJ Maxx. Ooh, ooh. Urban Decay Space Powder. Oh, this don't have a price on it, honey. I don't know. Too Faced Gerard's Favorites. This is $14.99. They have a lot of the Anastasia bronzers. Too Faced Love Light Highlighter, $12.99. Too Faced Tutti Frutti Frosted Fruits Highlight Stick, $10.99. Urban Decay Troublemaker. What is this? 6 Proof Mascara. $9.99. I've never seen this. Sounds like they're trying to be like the Better Than Sex mascara. Am I the only one who didn't know that there was a Better Than Love mascara? I know about the Better Than Sex mascara, but they have a Better Than Love by Too Faced. This is $12.99. I heard this was a really good brow pencil. I'm thinking about getting one. It's in medium brown. I think I would need a darker brown, but it's $2.99 by Maybelline. I wonder if they have a darker one. Nope, but you guys, this is the e.l.f. brow pomade that I'll be using, and it is only $2.99. Really good. That's not the color I need either. Wet n Wild mascaras, Absolute Lash mascaras, brow products. These seem like lash and brow products. They have some makeup bags, of course. Their makeup bags are pretty inexpensive, $6. This really big, nice one that opens up is $14.99. Let's go back to the makeup. They have the, what are these? The Urban Decay Virus Liquid Lipsticks, and these are $4.99. Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipsticks. These are $3.99. Too Faced Sweet Peach Lip Gloss. $5.99. I wonder what that looks like. Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipsticks. And both of these are $5.99. Unicorn Tears by Too Faced. It's a lipstick. It's $5.99 as well. They have some Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipsticks. Oh, that's a pretty color. $4.99. They also have a Buxom lightweight liquid lipstick, and this one is $5.99. I've never tried Buxom lip products, but I heard they're really good, so I'm definitely gonna try some one of these days. Okay, so they have some Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes. They're $6.99. Pro HD. They have, of course, the Anastasia Moonchild highlight palettes for $16.99. Those Activate Pro Post-Workout Cool Down Mist, $2.99. They have some Physicians Formula products. Argan oil powder, $3.99. I have some Ardell Wispies, a pack of 4 pairs for $7.99. They have the Salon Perfect lashes, and these are $4.99. So TJ Maxx did not have Japanesque brushes, which is what I wanted to show you guys, but they have them here. $5.99. They have a bunch of Chi hair products. Keratin conditioner, $16.99. Hey guys, so that is a wrap on today's video. I just want to quickly come and talk to you guys about everything that went on today. So basically I went to TJ Maxx and Marshalls as well as Ross. You guys won't see any clips from Ross, or you didn't see any clips from Ross, because Ross doesn't really have that good of a makeup section. They're more of like, you know, things for your home, your dogs, clothing, stuff like that. So I didn't really bother trying to even film anything in Ross, because when I went over there I saw nothing. But I was definitely pleased with what I saw at TJ Maxx as well as Marshalls. Now what I do want to say is that I know I showed you guys a little clip of like the skincare section of TJ Maxx, I think. But yeah, if you guys want to see a more in-depth video of like a bunch of different things that they have in the skincare lines of TJ Maxx and Marshalls, I can definitely do that, as well as hair products, because they have a lot of different hair products. I think I showed you guys a lot of the Chi stuff that they had at Marshalls, but yeah, they have a bunch of hair care, skincare stuff at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so I can definitely do videos on that stuff if you want to see it. So like this video or comment down below. And yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys, of course, in the next one. Bye y'all.